लगाए टॉपिक टॉपिक ये है मेरा जस्ट लाइक ए मनी स्ट्रगल एंड सपोर्ट कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एंड कॉन्फिडेंस right. How many and they improves the communication and confidence. First stage, security removes fear. When the basic need are covered, your mind is claim, right? Claim mind, clear speech, confidence tone, right? Claim mind, clear speech, confidence tone. Second, exposure increase and skills. The money give the access, better clothes and posture and patience. Travel and meetings, training books and mentor, all this and the sharpness, the communication naturally. Next topic, you stop the people and pleasing, the financial stability, self-respect, you speak your boundaries and not fear to rejection. Is next is body language and changes, earning power shows in eye contact, slower controlled speech, firm handshake. People feel the confidence before your speak. Next topic is authority that comes with the value. When you earn, people listen. The more the listening uh, response and boost your confidence and further positive the loops. uh, Topic is next, but not important, true. Money does not and create and confidence. पैसा आपका कॉन्फिडेंस क्रिएट नहीं करेगा, बट मनी रिवेल्स द कॉन्फिडेंस यू हैव बिल्ड थ्रू टू money. Penalty of rich people still the communicates poorly. Skills, money, unstable, patience. Next, simple and the formula to build and the both and practical. The learn and the one communication and communicate self weekly. The speech just slowly, most the powerful, and the improve one income and the skills deeply and dress clean and fits. The practice daily and speaking at 5 minutes loud. मैं हर वीडियो में बोलता हूँ कि 5 मिनट एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 मिनट प्रैक्टिस डेली करिएगा. पावरफुल लाइनिंग टू रिमेंबर. कॉन्फिडेंस कम्स फ्रॉम द competence. Money is the amplifier. If you want, I can keep the office the ready and communication sentence. Designing confidence, the building daily habits, teach the leader and style the speaking, for the learning, for the meeting, for the handling, for the public place. How your leader style speaking and design to confidence and the building the daily and basis daily habits. Practice question. Leader level work already. Simple practical daily usable and daily routine and you consistency. Leader style speaking. How leader talks, speak slow, not loud more than. Power is in the pause, the slow speech and confidence. Smile your face. The instead of rushing, the pause. Speak one clear line before the speaking. Think. Favor and world. The more the meaning and the leader explain the everything. This is your direction and let's and process and handle the all public and handling the team and position. Next, start with the work. Yeah, never and start with the apology and, and doubt. you know I'm not sure. Cuts the paste based on the situation, right? Ask strong question. जब किसी से पूछ रहे हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, यू आस्क इन द स्ट्रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. लीडर आस्क, don't they don't and argue. What is the main and the obstacle and the here and when can and this be the close, and with the action. लीडर का एक्शन होना चाहिए, राइट? एंड every leader should move the work and forward. Then let's close the today, and I will be review and the morning time planning and evening time review, right? This 5 p.m. and it is 6 p.m. just morning time करना चाहिए. एज ए लीडर यू strategy and you plan how to work in the day, and also ले सकते you take a review and the evening time in the all team member ask, right? Leader style, leader style. Let's focus of on the solution. How can top and your perception, your presence. If you are not going in the meeting and your school, your office, yeah, as a leader, team all prayer feel nervous. What happened? Boss is not coming, leader is not coming, no excitement, no planning, no strategy, no feel good team member. This is the let's focus on the solution. This is the manageable, and what is the priority the right now. I will take the responsibility for this, and we will review and progress. And tomorrow, please, if you today not done your work, not right, tomorrow we will review. Tomorrow I will progress होना चाहिए, should be progress work or on review or style, right? Confidence build at least 30 and 40 minutes. 10 and morning 10 and 12 minutes, please. There as a leader give about, if you are leader, you make a leader, your job role is leader, please daily you give only 10 and 15 minutes morning time. Power posture 2 minutes. Stand straight, shoulder back, chin up, breathe slowly. Voice activation 3 minutes, 3 and 5 minutes. You record your voice, read one paragraph loudly, slowly, deep the voice, clear word, don't negative. You practice, definitely improve होगा, you will be improve. Identify statement, at least 2 minutes. I claim मतलब शांत हो, prepared, and control and in control. Sound simple, work deeply, doing work 15 and 20 minutes. Speak once with the intention. Once front of the mirror, speak once with the intention, right? In every and the meeting and the intention, the say one and clear and the sentence, no one and the explaining. The eye contact rules, maintaining the eye contact for the 3 seconds while speaking. आप बातें कर रहे हैं, प्लीज लुक फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर, सेल्फ करिए आप बातें. Check your eye contact daily basis. One decision daily, even mail, even small topic, even you will do this today, and decision and confidence and muscles and health, any your work, your writing, reading books, pray for God, right? Evening just 5 to 10 minutes कॉन्फिडेंस रिव्यू, आस्क सेल्फ, पूछे क्वेश्चन, पूछे व्हाट डिड आई स्पीक क्लियरली टुडे, व्हाट डिड आई होल्ड back tomorrow. Preparation in 2 minutes. Decide one sentence you will speak tomorrow again. you know close this today. Leader mindset, competence is trained, not gifted. Leader are claimed and under the pressure. Silence is also communication. Speak less, listen more, mean more, stand from, support the team member, right? Guide the team clearly. Support. If you want, next I can train you for the meeting and the domination. Design the office body language and practice. Create leader and communication in is any skills, Hindi, English, whatever. You support, you smile your face, whatever any stress. Please always you front of the customer, your team, your leader face should be very smiling, very confidence, something different according to team member, right? You create the leader communication, अभी बोला था मैंने. Make in 7 days and the confidence in challenging continuously. Definitely होगा. It will होंगे एज ए लीडर बन पाओगे. यू मेक ए बेस्ट लीडर विद इन 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10 year. आप you reach and top as a like a president, like a CEO, like a company owner. प्लीज़ गाइज लाइक करेगा, सब्सक्राइब करेगा. आप आप भी इम्प्रूव करें, मैं भी इम्प्रूव करता हूँ. अच्छा लगे आप अगर मुझे लाइक करेंगे मैक्सिमम से. मैं ऐसे अपने माइंड से सोच के आप लोगों के लिए ऐसे टॉपिक पे कुछ डिस्कस करते रहूँगा. बिकॉज आई एम लीडर लास्ट 8 and 9 ईयर. बट जैसा भी स्टार्ट किया था तो देर ना फैसिलिटी जो कर रहा हूँ, क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ, जो भी मेरे को आता है, राइट. प्लीज़ लाइक करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम, ताकि मैं आप लोगों के लिए, मेरे को मोटिवेशन आ सके और ताकि मैं आप लोगों के लिए कुछ और सोच पाऊँ, आप लोगों तक शेयर कर पाऊँ. ओके, थैंक यू गाइस.